Have you ever wondered why cough syrups are not given to babies less than 2 years? Well, here is why. Cough syrups are harmful to babies less than 2 years of age because their tiny bodies can't process these ingredients, which may lead to serious side effects like slow breathing, drowsiness, and even heart problem. Research has shown that cough syrup don't work better on small babies. Well, babies usually cough just to clear up their airway. It's proven that it's baby's self-defense. Mostly, cough syrups are made of ingredients like decongestants, antihistamines, codeine, and likes, which are toxic to infants. So if your baby cough, here is what you can do as a mother. Make sure you wrap your baby, keep your baby warm, give more fluid, water I mean, and use nasal drops to suction if they have stuffy nose. But if your baby coughs severely, kindly take your baby to the nearest hospital for proper checkup by the doctors, and good drugs are prescribed for them in the hospital. Are you a young mom or a young dad? This video is for you. So save it for later or send it to your relative who are nursing baby less than 2 years. It's not easy, I know. So see you in my next class. You're welcome.